pose for me. Bend your body for me. Baby, just pose for me. Move your whole body. Baby, just vote for me. I'm smile for me. I'm smile. I'm smile.
Good day, everyone. We are members of Basic 3. We're going to be doing a little practical on how to make pancake, which we learned in our pre-vocational studies. Here on our working surface, we have sugar, milk, egg, flour, baking powder, salt, and oil. Some bowls, and we have pepper and spatulas and a frying pan. Now we'll start mixing.
How are you all?
We are fine, thank you.
Okay, today we are learning how to make pancakes. We're learning how to make what?
Pancakes.
Who has tasted a pancake before? Wow. Is it nice?
Yes.
Okay, so we have some few ingredients to make pancakes. Today we have sugar. Everybody says sugar.
Sugar.
A key ingredient is what?
Flour.
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 Eggs.
Baking powder. Everybody say that.
Baking powder.
I have my salt here.
Milk.
Milk. Good.
Oil.
Oil.
Good. And what's that?
Water.
Good. So I have water, I have sugar, oil for frying, I have flour, I have my egg, baking powder, milk, and salt. Now start, what's that? A bowl. Put a bowl in front of you. Pour in my water.
Watch carefully, okay?
Pour in water. I put, what's that?
Milk.
My liquid. What am I holding?
Salt.
No, that's sugar.
That's sugar. Pancakes are a nice snack. It can be used for breakfast, especially in the morning part. It's a heavy meal. So I pour in my sugar.
Wow.
It's a half,
All of it.
half cup of
Sugar.
you stir very well. Stir it.
So what are we stirring now?
What
are we
what
stirring
is
now?
inside the bowl?
The water, the milk, and the sugar.
Very good. Following up.
Yes.
Now get my salt. Whatever you bake, a pinch of salt helps out to reduce. Did you see that salt? Just a little salt. Okay?
Salt for taste, right? Good.
Okay. Keep stirring.
Small, cheese, blinding, big face, shining, outfit, outlandish, big drip, big small.
Post up for my beautiful ladies, the bunda receiver, shaking the Caesar. I don't mind, I'm a gentle caretaker, a little man over and I go surrender. Choke, sharp knife, Mesuya Mungo de Menama. Oof, see a container, I'm not accustomed to season, clear it for it. Hold it, text me, follow me. I just accompany my babe to the DJ set. Press record when she make requests, it's a dance to remind me of when I...
What are you doing?
I'm stirring the batter.
You're stirring what? Okay, so she's stirring the batter. So why are you stirring it? So that it will combine. So that it will combine what? Well, right? So that all the what? Ingredients will what? Combine very well. Alright. Eric, are you saying? Good. So this is called pancakes.
We fry it first. That's why it's called the pancake.
Alright.
This is our final product. This is your pancake. And our pancakes.
Okay, so your pancakes and pancakes. So the smaller ones are the pancakes, right?
Yes.
Alright. And this is a very good breakfast. A very good what?
Breakfast.
Hope you know it's very nutritious.
Yes.
Like our teacher told us earlier, she said it contains a lot of protein, right?
Yes.
Lots of protein and lots of carbohydrate and fat and oil. Good. So it's very rich and can be taken or best served with what? Best served with pap, tea. Okay. So what are we going to take this one with?
Tea.
Tea. Tea is good, right? All right. So raise it up. Let's see. Raise up. Thank you. Looks very beautiful, and I know it's going to be very yummy and delicious.
Test me why my peer group they class they piling press. Make we they run through press. Scan any party get too much chaos.
Look, gun sense, bad man, that guy.